Welcome back, my friends, and happy Thursday. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another work from home job lead. This one is in the finance field, helping review and verify and post payments and transactions, and it does pay very, very well. This is remote for my United States folks only, so let's just dive on in. One thing to note right now is that they estimate that the hire date will not be until after the holidays on January 30th of 2023. Their timeline is that they are taking applications through November 13th. On November 21st, they will start phone screenings. On November 28th, they will start virtual WebEx interviews. And on December 9th, they will conduct their final interviews, and in January they want to start making their selection, doing all the reference checks and sending your job offer. So the first day of employment is not expected till January 30th, so you have plenty of time to get those applications in, but that is just to let you know the timeline of how long it takes to get hired. But with that being said, the National Network of Abortions Funds, they build power with members to remove financial and logistical barriers to abortion access by centering people who have abortions in organizations that can help them. So if this is something you feel you personally can do, they are looking for someone to join their team as a financial associate for the revenue support. This is a full-time position, and it pays anywhere from $58,810 a year all the way up to $61,750 a year. Now, 75% of the job is providing administrative support to the accounts receivable team. That means you will prepare, post, verify, and record customer payments and transactions related to the accounts receivable. You'll maintain and update the customer files, including their name, address changes, and any mailing attentions. You'll assist the staff accounting in reconciling the revenue accounts every month, and you'll maintain materials for accounts receivable. Now, it does say for benchmarks, you'll review and ensure timely preparation of accounts receivable transactions, and you'll review and enter all revenue transactions along with required backup documentation. They are looking for someone who has 1 or more years of relevant work experience. However, it does not say that it actually has to be in the finance field. Of course, they want someone who is exceptional with Microsoft Excel. You can do pivot tables, VLOOKUPs, different spreadsheet formulas, that sort of thing. They're looking for someone who has great organizational skills, someone who has the ability to use either Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel, great written and verbal communication skills, and someone who can be a problem solver. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.